Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're going to take a look at a protective case cover for your iPad Pro 2020, the 12.9 version. We're taking a look at the Pitaka Magic Ease case for the iPad Pro. The cool thing about this case and why you're going to want to watch this video is because it still supports the keyboard case. The Apple keyboard case and this case are 100% compatible. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, before taking a closer look at the case, let's check out some of the features here so you can see why you'd consider this. So first of all, the cool thing about this case is that it supports the Apple keyboard. Really, really important, especially for me because it's something that I have attached to my device at all times, but I would love to have some extra protection because that keyboard case doesn't really give you much. So it works with that, and you can see that here. It has long-lasting aramid fiber, and this fiber, this aramid, I would say material, is the type of material that's used for bulletproof vests. So very durable, very lightweight. So that's going to be good. Again, it is 115 gram lightness. And again, it's 1.55 millimeters thin. Super duper thin. So let's check it out. Now check out how thin this case is. Super duper thin. You can see how thin this is. Now look at the inside. And it has the corner protection, which is right now really lacking on the keyboard case. It has all the cutouts, and then also you notice how it has the contact points right here. So this is going to be a pass-through for the keyboard that we have here. So really the way this works, and you can see how nice the back is, you just slap it onto your iPad just like this. Let's go ahead and snap it in. Okay, goes in just like that. You'll notice that all the cutouts are nicely aligned. So here you have your cutouts. Right? Over here, this is going to support the Apple Pencil. Let's go ahead and put it in place. Boom. And it's charging. You can see it right here. It says that it's charging. Your volume rocker here, everything is responsive. Over here, we have our power button. That turns it on and off. That works nicely. All right. And then we also have the pinhole mics here. And then you have your speakers. And then this side is completely open, right, which is good. And this does have a tempered glass screen protector, and it's compatible with it as well. You'll also notice that it has a lip here. So it has a lip or edge going all the way around it. This rim is all the way around it, which is going to give it extra protection. It actually raises it. And you can see how much material is coming out right here because you can see it by the USB-C charging port. You see how much it comes out? So really, really nice. All right, so now let's see how this is going to work with the keyboard case. Let's go ahead and flip this over. Turn this off and open up the keyboard case, and you'll notice right here the contacts, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to put it right here, and now it's connected. So we'll close it. Ooh. All right, to see how it looks. So now look at the kind of protection that you get. So this is pretty solid. So you get great protection, which you don't have right now on the case. See how it pops out nicely. Over here, you can see how this looks right here. And how this looks right here. Nice protection there. All right. As we open this up, all right, let's see if this works. Let me go ahead and log in. And yes. So if I move this way, the mouse, notice the little mouse pointer. Let's make sure that that's there. So you can see the mouse pointer working well. This is LumaFusion, by the way, guys. So this is the last video that we did for the Neurophone gaming mic. So everything works nicely. Keyboard is lit, so that means that the power is going straight through. So this is a pretty solid deal here. You get nice protection, which you don't have with the keyboard case. Still works with the keyboard case because the contacts are so close and they do the pass-through, and it closes nicely too. What can I say? So guys, that wraps up our review of the Pitaka case for the iPad Pro 12.9 2020. Love the fact that it's super thin, as you can see here, that it also works with the keyboard case, and it gives it the protection that I didn't have.